So let us view the device installed in a particular panel. So I'm here in the shield in the front of Shield Omega panel. We are here in panel 6, the main panel. So we will try to view the device. If you forgot your key, so you will insert this one is for the access level number 2. So the access code is 2222. Access level number 3 is 3333. So we will go to down arrow. Okay. And you have to input the access level number 2. So you have to put the 2222 and press enter. So how many to? We have 5. So press enter. You are now in the access level number 2. So to view the device, you click the down arrow, okay, and then down arrow again, and then press this right arrow for enter. It will ask you which node number or panel number. We are in the networking, so we are in the node 1 or panel number 6. So you have to press the right arrow, and it will ask you view the loop. Okay, so press right arrow. It will ask you view the loop 1. We have number of the devices. Okay, so the number of devices is 56. For the loop 1, we only have a loop 1. So when you press this arrow, right arrow, you will see that the arrow, that the address start from address number 1. If you go to down arrow, this is automatically going to the last address. Okay, you can view all the devices from 56 from last device going down to 1. When you go exit, okay, again, if you don't have any key, you have to first press the down arrow, enter the already I have access number 2. Okay, exit. I remove. You press number 2. Okay, you have to enter 5 2s for access level number 2, and then press enter here. Okay, you're now in the access number 2. It will display access number 2. So you go to down arrow, and then you can view the disablement. You can view the device. You can ask you which node number. Okay, no problem. You are in the panel 6. You can view the device by loop 1. Okay, how many devices per loop? We have 4 loops here in panel 6, but we only got 56 in loop 1. Press enter. Okay, if you want, you start from lower number, from number 1, you're going up number 2, number 3, up to 56. Okay, but if you want to start in the last number, like for example, you are in the first number, okay. So you go to down arrow, you start from the higher number, from 56, 55, 54, and so on until you go to number 1. And then immediately to go press exit to the main menu.